Okay, let's close that Visual Basic toolbar, and now right click on any displayed toolbar and select Customize, and from the Toolbars tab let's click New, and let's type My Toolbar as the name for it and click OK. And then let's go to the Commands tab and let's scroll down and select Macros, and let's select Custom button on the right hand side and drag that to the toolbar, our little toolbar. And now right click on the button and select the And Custom Button text and type Million Up. And then let's click the Assign Macro option and click on Increase Sales in the macro name box and OK. Now right click the button on the toolbar and point to Change Button Image, and let's click the up arrow symbol. And now right click the button, and from the shortcut menu let's select Image and Text, and let's close. Now click on B6 and click the new button, and there we are. Now let's right click on a toolbar. We can right click on our new toolbar and select Customize, and let's find our new toolbar and select it and click Delete. Let's go to the right one, and there we go. OK, and close. Now let's go to the View menu and Toolbars and Customize, and on the Commands tab let's click Edit, and let's scroll down and find Paste Values, and then click Description to see what that does, and then the Escape key will clear that message. And now drag the Paste Values button to between Paste and Format Painter, or somewhere up there if you've got different buttons showing, and then click on Spell Check button and drag it off the toolbar, and let's move the Cut button to between Auto Sum and Sort Ascending or whatever's there. And now let's close the Customize window, and we'll find that we can't make any more changes. Now let's right click a toolbar again and select Customize, and on the Toolbars tab select Standard Toolbar and click the Reset button and OK, and everything's back to normal. Now we can close the Customize window. Now right click a toolbar and select Customize, and let's click New again, and let's call this My Toolbar again and OK. And from the Commands tab let's drag from the file category Save As onto our new toolbar, and then let's click on Edit, and let's find the Delete Rows button and drag that on, and also the Delete Columns button, and then let's find the Insert category and let's drag on Rows and Columns. I find these are very helpful buttons. Now let's move the toolbar by dragging on its title bar and dock it to the right side of the screen. This is the way you'll see Excel on my machine most of the time. Then we can drag it back out to the middle again and if we don't want to keep it, we can always delete it. We can select it and hit the delete key.